I'm in the garden reading a book. This book I'm reading, I don't really know, but I like books like this, but it's really good. I'm only on chapter 7. I've been trying to read this book for ages and I've only just gotten around the time to be reading it like properly. I'm gonna run a bath and have a bubble bath and have a little soak. I'm gonna put in this little bath bomb. I don't know where I got this from. My sister gave me a bunch of small bath bombs and this one's really cute and it smells really nice. It's got a little flower on top. Look how cute that is. And I'm also gonna put in some of this luxury bath soak, and this has got lavender and rosemary in it. Very excited to use this. I haven't actually used this yet, so I can't wait to test this out. I'm at the bath. I'm gonna put a face mask on. I got a strawberry one. Strawberry is literally my favorite fruit, so like obviously I'm obsessed with strawberries. What is on my finger? Oh, they're so slimy. It smells like yogurt. Strawberry yogurt. I'm gonna use my little rolly and roll it on my face a little bit just while it sinks in. I'm just putting on some eye patches. These are literally my favourite. Oh, they're so nice. These are the eye patches in case you wanted to know where they're from. I literally got these at Home Bargains. So good eye patches, so refreshing. While these eye patches are soaking in a little bit, I'm gonna shave my face. I know this is not very good for your skin, but I don't really care. I like to have a smooth face, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna moisturise my face, and the moisturiser I use is the Nivea Soft. This is my favourite moisturiser. It works so well on my skin. Obviously, different moisturisers works differently on people's skin. This one is the one I find best, and so does Garnier. I love Garnier. Just put in spot patch stickers on these two spots I found.